Alright guys, it's about 8 o'clock here in Stuttgart. I just woke up and want to give you a quick 1-minute summary of what this Facebook page is about and exactly what the hell I'm doing. First and foremost, I'm an entrepreneur. I run 2 businesses, HC Notes and the Lost Media. The thing about these businesses though is that they're both online, which takes me to my second point. So the other thing I do is I travel a lot. And right now I am in Switzerland, Lucerne, and it is beautiful. Because my businesses are online, that means I can travel indefinitely. Anywhere, anytime. Now, who am I here, you ask? I'm George Morlos, I'm 19 and I make daily videos. At 15 I found what I love to do. That's entrepreneurship, self-development and learning from interesting and successful people. These vlogs document exactly that process. My journey in traveling, learning and growing businesses at the same time, as well as my difficulties and hiccups. Now, what I'd like to do is I want to invite you to join me on this journey. To never miss an episode, what you need to do is like the Facebook page, click follow, then see first. Good night guys, I'll see you tomorrow.